Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's lecture, we will study about one of the concepts of acids and bases, that is the Arrhenius concept of acids and bases. Objectives for today's lecture include the study about the Arrhenius acids, the study of the Arrhenius bases. We will also discuss certain examples of Arrhenius acids and bases. And at the end of our lecture, we will discuss certain uses of some common acids and bases in our daily life. The acids, we read that the acids taste sour. They change the color of blue litmus paper to red. They are corrosive on skin. They conduct electricity in aqueous solution. The general properties that we read for the bases were: bases taste bitter, they feel slippery and soapy to touch, they change the color of red litmus paper to blue, and they conduct electricity in aqueous solution just like those of acids. In today's lecture, we will talk about the Arrhenius concepts of acids and bases. In order to understand the nature of acids and bases, or in order to identify the substances as acids or bases, we need some theories, and the scientists propose 3 theories to understand the nature of these substances as acids or bases. In today's lecture, we will study about one of those 3 theories, and first theory that was proposed to identify the substance as acids or base was the Arrhenius concepts of acids and bases. This theory was given in 1887 by a Sweden chemist named as Svante Arrhenius. He was the 3rd recipient of Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1903. He suggested classifying certain compounds as acids or bases based on what kind of ions formed when the compound was added to water. So, according to Arrhenius, if we want to identify a certain substance as an acid or base, we will first dissolve that compound into the water. And when that compound will be dissolved in water, it will result in the formation of certain kinds of ion. And on the basis of kinds of ion that will be generated after the dissolution of that substance in the water, will decide whether that substance is acid or base. According to Arrhenius, acid is a substance that ionizes in water to produce hydrogen ions. This means that whenever a substance will be dissolved in water, then if that substance is generating hydrogen ions within that aqueous solution, then that substance will be called as acid with respect to the Arrhenius concept of acids and bases. Here we had an example in which hydrochloric acid was, when dissolved in water, it results in the formation of hydrogen ion and the chloride ion. Now, the increased concentration of hydrogen ion in the aqueous solution, increased concentration of hydrogen ion in the aqueous solution proved that HCl is an acid. Another example of the acidic substance is nitric acid. When this nitric acid is dissolved in water, it results in the formation of hydrogen ion and nitrate ion. Since this solution of nitric acid in water is producing hydrogen ion, therefore this substance will also be called as the Arrhenius acid. all aqueous solution, hydrogen ions that are generated after the dissolution of acidic substance in water reacts completely with water to form hydronium ion. As you can see here that the hydrogen ion generated from an acid is reacting here with water molecule to form hydronium ion.